Thank you so much for watching, and if you did, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and a thumbs up. That's the same thing. Hey, what's up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my IPSY glam bag for the month of March. I almost forgot what month it was. And I'm pretty excited because there is something pretty bulky in here. I don't know if you can see, but the package is pretty bulky and I'm really excited to see what it is. So let's just get on into it, and yeah. So I think it's the bag that's pretty bulky, and this is a cute bag. It says, "And off she went to change the world." I love that. And the zipper's just a little star. And the zipper's blue with like rose gold, I guess. So yeah, the bag is pretty bulky. I don't know why it is, but let's find out. So I'm just gonna pull out the first thing I see. It's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Awesome! Oh, there's more. Oh, that's all my products. I don't want to see my products. Need more girl power? Check out ipsy.com/shop/shiro to score dozens of female-founded brands we think you'll love. So, that's the little card. And the first product I picked up was this, and it's the Lottie London Shimmer Squad Powder Highlighter. So let's just see what this looks like. Or not. There we go. So it's just a little pan. Just a little itty bitty pan. And if I can open it, I will totally swatch it for you guys. There we go. It is pretty shimmery. No wonder it's like the Shimmer Squad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's called the Good Girl. So let's just see what it looks like. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, I put it somewhere really crappy. You can't really see. Cause my lighting sucks and my camera sucks and everything sucks. I'm pulling out the next product, and it is the Tarte Man Eater mascara. Didn't come in a box or anything, it just came like this. At least I'm assuming it's mascara. It's got a long wand. Wonder what that's like to apply. Awesome, I got a new mascara. I need a new mascara too. Oh, I feel a big box in here. No wonder it was so bulky. Next up is a brush, and I am in love with this brush. Let's see if I can open it here quickly. So it's just this short shader from SL Miss Glam, I think. It's super cute. Wow. Very fluffy. I love the sparkles and glitter and the two gems right here. It's awesome. So there's actually like two bulky boxes left in the bag. So I'm just gonna pull out like the smaller one. Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. So, oh, look at the little face. That's cute. So let's just open this up here. And, oh, it's got a face on the jar too. That's so cute. And it's just a little peel off mask jar. Oh, hello. That just went everywhere. Well, I got peel off mask all over myself. So that's what it looks like. It's actually pretty shimmery. It's like a pearlescent type thing. I'm just gonna wipe it on my pants, because you know that's what we do. I'm dropping everything. Alright, and the last bulky box, and I think the last thing in the bag, yep, is a nail polish from, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, it's from this brand. And it's called Livin' Lovely. Now I have a lot of nail polish. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Definitely pretty for spring. This is such a cute bottle. No wonder it was so bulky. It's a full-size nail polish. So I'm actually pretty happy with all the things I got this month. I will definitely be utilizing every single one of these, and, you know, maybe try on some new nail polish, and definitely use the mask for sure, and every other product. Like, this was a pretty good IPSY month, I would say. Definitely gonna use all these products. So that was all that I got in my IPSY bag. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to press the like button, the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me, and comment down below what you got in your IPSY glam bag, if we got similar items, or if you want to have an IPSY subscription, or if there's another subscription that you get. Just comment down below, and yeah, I'd love to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Links will be down below as always, and I love you guys so much. Stay strong.